Dear friends, have you ever looked in the mirror one morning and sighed, noticing your belly getting rounder? Your waist not as slim as before, your skin darker and more wrinkled, and your sleep becoming restless? You don't even eat that much. Yet the number on the scale keeps climbing. Your old clothes feel tight, and every movement feels heavier. It's frustrating, isn't it? But actually, this isn't just about belly fat or aging. It's your body's cry for help, a sign that your liver, stomach, and digestive system are overloaded and not being properly cared for. When toxins build up, metabolism slows down, fat doesn't burn, water doesn't drain, and that's why the belly grows. The skin dulls, energy drops, and sleep becomes shallow. Don't worry, dear friends. In today's video, I'll share a simple yet powerful drink recipe, made from apple and just 2 familiar kitchen ingredients. When combined and simmered properly, it becomes a natural detox drink that helps burn belly fat, slim your waist, brighten your skin, and improve sleep, often within just a few days. So please make sure to watch until the end of the video so you don't miss this life-changing secret herb. And if you enjoy the video, don't forget to subscribe to Healthy Living Everyday, and tap the bell icon so we can keep learning more about how to live healthier, happier, and more beautifully, together. Now, let's begin by understanding why our belly keeps growing, our skin looks duller, and our sleep gets worse. My dear friends, all these signs, a round belly, dull skin, shallow sleep, come from one deep-rooted cause inside our body. When the liver and digestive system weaken, toxins and fat are no longer efficiently expelled. Fat starts to cling around the abdomen. Water gets retained, making the waist larger and the body heavier. Poor blood circulation then causes the skin to lose its glow, becoming rough and tired-looking. When the liver is overworked, the brain also struggles to rest, leading to restless, shallow sleep. You wake up tired, unrefreshed, and the cycle continues. A weak liver slows digestion. Slow digestion stores more fat. Stored fat slows circulation, and poor circulation dulls the skin and disrupts sleep. That's why, if you truly want to lose belly fat, brighten your skin, and sleep deeply, you shouldn't just starve yourself or overexercise. You must start from the root, by activating digestion, cleansing the liver, and detoxifying the body from within. Once the inside is balanced and light, the outside will naturally glow and transform. And now, let's dive into the detailed recipe for this natural drink that so many people trust and have experienced great results with. To prepare this recipe, the first ingredient we need is 1 fresh apple. Apples are considered by nutrition experts around the world as one of the most valuable fruits thanks to their exceptional biological value and ability to support overall health. An apple contains more than 20 essential vitamins and minerals, along with hundreds of beneficial plant compounds that nourish the body. The most important component in apples that you should know about is pectin, a special form of soluble fiber. When it reaches the stomach and mixes with water, pectin expands and forms a soft gel that coats the intestinal lining. This gel has 2 major benefits. First, it slows down the absorption of sugar and fat from food, helping to stabilize blood sugar levels and prevent excess fat accumulation, especially around the abdomen. Second, this gel acts like a natural sponge, absorbing toxins, bad cholesterol, and waste materials left in the intestines, then flushing them out through digestion. As a result, the intestines are cleansed and metabolism becomes smoother and more efficient. Beyond pectin, apples are also rich in polyphenols, flavonoids, and organic acids, all of which are powerful antioxidants. These compounds help neutralize free radicals, which are the main culprits behind premature aging and cellular damage. Among them, quercetin stands out. This compound helps reduce mild inflammation in the liver, enhances liver function, and protects liver cells from the effects of toxins and excess fat. That's why apples are considered one of the best natural fruits for detoxifying and cleansing the liver. Apples also contain malic acid and citric acid, organic acids that gently stimulate digestion and energy metabolism. They help the body break down fat more efficiently, improve intestinal function, and reduce bloating or heaviness after meals. A cup of warm apple-infused drink each day can help your liver work more effectively, your gut stay clean, and your body burn energy more steadily, naturally supporting fat loss without causing fatigue. But apples aren't just good for your liver and digestion, they're also wonderful for your skin. Thanks to their high levels of vitamin C, vitamin E, and B complex vitamins. Apples promote collagen production, keeping your skin firm, radiant, and elastic. Vitamin C also helps reduce inflammation, soothes the skin, and prevents dark spots caused by pigmentation imbalance. When your body is detoxified and absorbing nutrients properly, your skin naturally becomes healthier and more luminous, beauty from within. Another special note: apple peel actually contains twice as many antioxidants as the flesh. So, when preparing this recipe, don't peel your apple. The peel is rich in pectin and also contains ursolic acid, a compound shown in research to help boost muscle growth and enhance fat burning, improving your body shape when combined with a healthy lifestyle. Finally, apples are an excellent source of potassium, which helps balance fluid levels in the cells, supports heart function, and stabilizes blood pressure. With their naturally high water content, apples also help hydrate the body, promote fullness, and reduce cravings, preventing unnecessary calorie intake. The second ingredient in this recipe is fresh ginger. Ginger isn't just a familiar spice in our kitchens, it's also regarded as a precious medicinal herb in both traditional and modern medicine. For thousands of years, people across Asia have used ginger to warm the body, stimulate digestion, relieve colds, and ease pain. And today, modern scientific research has confirmed that ginger truly helps boost metabolism, burn excess fat, and reduce inflammation effectively. The key active compound in ginger is gingerol, a natural substance responsible for its distinct spicy warmth. Gingerol is known for its anti-inflammatory, antioxidant, and circulation-boosting properties. Once inside the body, it gently raises body temperature, helping to naturally increase thermogenesis, a process that enhances calorie and fat burning. This is why drinking ginger water regularly can help reduce belly and waist fat while improving overall metabolic rate. Moreover, when ginger is heated or dried, part of its gingerol transforms into shogal, a compound with even stronger biological activity. Shogal helps stimulate digestion, relieve bloating, and enhance stomach function. Many people notice that after drinking ginger-infused water, they feel lighter, less gassy, and more comfortable. That's because ginger promotes the secretion of digestive enzymes and helps the intestines move more rhythmically. When the digestive system works efficiently, the liver also functions better, processing fats and toxins more effectively. Ginger also has the ability to reduce inflammation and protect liver cells. Studies have shown that antioxidants found in ginger, such as zingerone and peridol, help lower oxidative stress in the liver, meaning they reduce cell damage caused by toxins or a diet high in fats. This makes ginger an excellent choice for those looking to detoxify the body and support healthy liver function. Another often overlooked benefit of ginger is its ability to regulate blood sugar and lower bad cholesterol, LDL. Gingerol and shogal influence lipid metabolism, reducing the formation of harmful fats in the blood while improving circulation. This helps keep blood vessels clear, allowing oxygen and nutrients to flow more freely to the skin and muscles. The result is brighter, firmer skin and a more energized, revitalized body. Ginger not only benefits the digestive system and liver, but it's also great for the nervous system and sleep quality. When the body stays gently warmed from within, the autonomic nervous system stays balanced, helping you relax and sleep more deeply. especially when combined with apple and cinnamon. Ginger creates a soothing, warm aroma that acts as a natural relaxant, easing stress and fatigue after a long day. The third ingredient in today's recipe is a small piece of cinnamon stick or half a fresh lemon. These two ingredients can be used interchangeably, and while both bring cleansing benefits, each offers unique advantages to the body. Cinnamon, a tree bark used for thousands of years in Eastern medicine, is considered a powerful natural remedy. It contains cinnamaldehyde, cinnamic acid, and natural polyphenols, compounds responsible for most of cinnamon's impressive health benefits. The compound cinnamaldehyde plays a major role in enhancing the metabolism of sugar and fat while helping to stabilize blood sugar levels. Research shows that cinnamaldehyde improves insulin sensitivity, allowing the body to use glucose more effectively. This not only lowers the risk of high blood sugar but also helps prevent fat buildup in the liver and around the abdomen. When blood sugar remains steady, the body is less likely to convert excess energy into fat, leading to a natural reduction of belly fat. Cinnamon doesn't just influence metabolism, it also helps reduce bad cholesterol, LDL, and increase good cholesterol, HDL. The polyphenols in cinnamon act as antioxidants that protect liver cells from free radical damage, one of the main causes of liver fatigue and toxin buildup. A strong, healthy liver ensures smoother detoxification and fat breakdown, resulting in a lighter body and brighter skin. Another important property of cinnamon is its warming nature, which helps improve blood circulation and warm the body from within. Better circulation means oxygen and nutrients reach the skin and tissues more effectively, giving you a healthy, rosy glow. Cinnamon also aids digestion, reducing bloating and indigestion, while helping the body absorb nutrients more efficiently. When combined with ginger and apple, these three create a golden trio for digestive health, cleansing, stimulating, and harmonizing at the same time. However, because cinnamon has a strong aroma and mild spiciness, just a small stick is enough. Too much can cause overheating or discomfort for those with sensitive systems. Choose high-quality cinnamon, thick bark, rich aroma, and a natural reddish-brown color, and avoid low-grade or chemically treated varieties. If you prefer a slightly sweeter taste, you can add a small amount of pure honey to the drink. Honey not only softens the flavor and makes it easier to enjoy but also provides digestive and relaxing benefits that promote better sleep. Just remember, only add honey when the drink has cooled to a warm temperature, not while it's hot. This helps preserve honey's natural enzymes and nutrients. When these ingredients come together, their effects don't just add up, they multiply through a synergistic reaction that deeply cleanses the body, activates metabolism, burns fat, and brightens the skin naturally. Apple acts as the foundation and cleanser. The pectin in apples, when combined with warm water, forms a natural gel that absorbs and removes toxins, bad cholesterol, and waste from the intestines. With a cleaner gut, the liver works lighter and detoxifies more efficiently, helping flatten the belly and brighten the skin. Ginger serves as the activator. Its bioactive compounds generate heat, boost metabolism, and burn excess fat, especially around the abdomen. Ginger also improves circulation, giving the skin a healthy glow and relieving bloating or heaviness. Cinnamon or lemon acts as the balancer. Cinnamon stabilizes blood sugar, reduces fat accumulation, and enhances circulation, while lemon, rich in vitamin C and citric acid, stimulates bile production, aids fat digestion, detoxifies the liver, and promotes collagen formation for smoother, brighter skin. Honey plays the role of harmonizer. It adds natural energy, digestive enzymes, and antioxidants that support a gentle detox process. Honey also soothes the stomach, protects the intestines, and encourages deep, restful sleep. When these ingredients work together, they create a holistic effect, supporting the liver, intestines, blood, and nervous system, helping your body feel lighter, your metabolism stronger, your skin brighter, and your mind more refreshed. In other words, this isn't just a fat-burning drink, it's a natural therapy that helps your body rebalance, detoxify, and renew its energy. Simply drink 2 cups a day, maintain a healthy diet, and add light physical activity. Within just a few days, you'll start to feel the difference: a lighter belly, a slimmer waist, radiant skin, and deeper, more restful sleep. The preparation is very simple, my friends. First, choose 1 fresh apple, wash it thoroughly, and slice it thinly. No need to peel it, because the peel contains a high amount of antioxidants that are excellent for your liver and skin. Place the apple slices in a small pot along with 3 slices of fresh ginger and 1 small cinnamon stick. If you prefer a lighter, more refreshing taste, you can substitute the cinnamon with half a lemon. Next, add about 1 liter of filtered water. Then simmer gently for around 10 minutes to allow all the nutrients to infuse into the water. When the aroma fills the air, turn off the heat and let the drink cool down to around 40 degrees Celsius, warm, not hot. At this point, if you enjoy a touch of sweetness, you can stir in a small amount of pure honey. Depending on your taste, this makes the drink more pleasant while preserving all the enzymes and vitamins in the honey. Drink 2 cups a day, 1 in the morning, about 20 minutes before breakfast, to activate digestion and cleanse the liver, and another in the evening, about an hour before bedtime, to support detoxification and promote deep, restful sleep. After 3 to 5 days, you'll begin to feel a noticeable difference. Your body feels lighter, your belly flatter, your skin brighter, and your mood calmer and more refreshed. However, there are a few things to keep in mind. People with diabetes, high cholesterol, or severe stomach ulcers should omit the honey from the recipe. Pregnant women in their first trimester should avoid excessive ginger or cinnamon. And those taking liver medications or blood thinners should consult their doctor before using this drink. For healthy individuals, when consumed in the right amount, this is a safe and highly beneficial drink that supports the liver, intestines, and skin. For the best results, avoid drinking it on a completely empty stomach or when the water is still hot. Never add honey to boiling water, as high heat destroys nutrients and can even create mild toxins. Do not add sugar, milk, or sweetened beverages, since they will reduce its fat-burning and detoxifying effects. And most importantly, do not overdrink. Limit yourself to 2 cups per day, for 3 to 5 days. Then take a 2-day break to let the body rebalance naturally. In short, this is a simple, safe, and highly effective recipe. It helps the liver detoxify, improves digestion, reduces belly fat, brightens the skin, and enhances sleep quality. But remember, no drink can replace a balanced diet and regular physical activity. A healthy body is the result of consistent self-care every single day. You see, sometimes the best remedies for our health are found right in our own kitchen. With just a few familiar ingredients, apple, ginger, cinnamon or lemon, and a touch of honey, the body can cleanse itself, heal itself, and rejuvenate naturally every day. Try this recipe for 3 days, and I believe you'll feel the difference: a lighter belly, a slimmer waist, glowing skin, and deeper, more restful sleep. If you find this video helpful, don't forget to subscribe to Healthy Living Everyday, so we can continue sharing valuable wellness tips together. Every like and share from you is the motivation that helps me spread more positive, healing knowledge to everyone. Wishing you good health, peace, and vibrant energy. When you care for your body with love and consistency, it always rewards you with clarity of mind, a balanced shape, and naturally radiant skin.